Hey, what's up, bada YouTuber? It's me. And yeah, guess what today is? Today's an unboxing video. Yeah. As you can see, it came from me. Yay! Stephen Goldberg. Yay! See right there. Stephen Goldberg. Yay! So yeah. So now let's get this motherfucker open. Let's take off this shit. Yes, finally. What we got here is an album from the band Death. And the album is The Sound of Perseverance. As you can see right here, here's the logo, Death. I'm even wearing a t-shirt that says Death right now. So yeah, no, instead of just talking about it, let's open it. Ooh. Oh, disc came out. Here's disc number 1 of the album, and disc number 2 of the album. Yeah, I really like the looks. See? Sorry guys, let me just hold up the first disc since I have it in my hand. The Sound of Perseverance, disc number 1. And The Sound of Perseverance, disc number 2. So yeah. I don't know why the case is so weak. Hold on, let me fix that up. So yeah. Let me take out the booklet. That thing just flew. I love this. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, Death, The Sound of Perseverance art 2011. Original cover art was 1998, was that one? Then they got new cover art for 2011. As you can see right here, see? So yeah. I really love these pictures they put on the albums. Yep, it shows everyone right here who's in the band Death. I'll give you an example. Death is from left to right: Shannon Ham, guitar; Chuck Shoulder, yeah, Chuck, guitar / vocals; Scott Sillenden, bass; Richard Christie, drums. So yeah. I really love how they did that. Oh, look at these. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's so awesome right there. I love how they do that each time. Welcome. Look, it says welcome to. I think it says welcome to Grease Death. That's awesome. Massive Metal, 1998. Damn, that's like really some fucking old shit. Whoever fights monsters should see it to that in the process he does not become a monster. And what? And when he looks long into the abyss also looks into you. Yes, that's right. I'm reading that in the back of this booklet. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, that was my unboxing video for Death, The Sound of Perseverance. I'm gonna be listening to this album, and once I'm done listening to this album, I will tell you guys what I think about it, in the review video. So yeah, so overall, I'm just gonna end the video right here. So remember, guys, keep it metal, keep it brutal, keep it awesome. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Hope to see you guys all soon in my next videos, and always remember, keep it metal. And yeah, so that's it. And goodbye. I love you all, and have a great rest of your day. Good